How to use Samsung AI Suggested Replies feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to enable it within your settings. So open settings from your quick panel by swiping downwards from your home screen and then head to Galaxy AI. From here, tap this continue option and sign into your Samsung account. And once you do so, you should be able to find writing assist or chat assist option. Go ahead and click on it, and from there, locate the suggested replies option and toggle the switch to on. Now once you enable this, all you have to do is open any of these applications or messaging applications, then head to your conversation, simply tap on the message icon or the text box, then you should be able to find that suggested option right above this keyboard. Now you simply have to tap on it to send it, and that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.